In the last video you already seen what are the types of angles. Okay, we discussed about some pairs of angles like complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, not transversal, what are the linear pair angles, vertically opposite angles, like that we already discussed in the last video. In this video we will discuss the types of lines. Okay, here also we are going to take some two pairs of lines. You already know what are the intersecting lines. When two or more lines cross each other, they are called intersecting lines. The intersecting lines intersect at a common point is known as point of intersection. Okay, let us see here. There are so many lines are there here. You can observe there are so many lines. All these lines are intersecting each other. They are crossing themselves. Okay, they're crossing each other, and all are meeting at one point. All are crossing the other lines at one point. That point is known as point of intersection. Okay, here you can observe clearly point of intersection O. Okay, this is line P, this is line Q, and the line P and line Q are intersecting at O. What is that point? Is known as point of intersection. Okay, now we are going to deal with the transversal lines. What is a transversal? A transversal is a line that intersect at least two other lines. You can observe here, this is one line, second line, third line, fourth line. Now, if a line cutting all the four lines, you can observe the red line, that is known as a transversal line. That red line is cutting all these four lines, four different lines. Okay, so there's a line which cuts different lines, that line is known as transversal line. Okay, now we will discuss a very important angles in transversal lines. When if the lines are parallel, then they can exhibit, the transversal exhibit some particular angle properties. Okay, now we are going to discuss what are the types of angles involved in transversal lines and what are the properties of those angles. Here you can observe four different angles. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. So there are 8 different angles. First one, interior angles, exterior angles, pairs of corresponding angles, pairs of alternate interior angles, pairs of alternate exterior angles, and pairs of interior angles on the same side. Let us see one by one. Here you can observe interior angles. What is meant by interior? Interior is nothing but inside. Okay, means the space between these two parallel lines is nothing but interior region. Okay, they're inside. Okay, whatever the outside space is there, that is the outside region or exterior region. This is the exterior region and this is the interior region. Okay, interior angles means the angles lies in between the parallel lines, or the angles lies in interior region inside the lines. Those angles are known as interior angles. Here you can observe 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. These angles, okay, there is no need to remember. You have to remember where it locates. Okay, this and this angle and this angle. Okay, there are 4 interior angles here. In the same way, exterior angles. Exterior angles are nothing but lies in the exterior region of the parallel lines. Okay, the outside, here and here. Okay, 1, 2, 7. And the next very important, corresponding angles, pair of corresponding angles. We can not say individually 1 2 3 like that. Okay, corresponding angles are pairs. Two angles we have to take. Here you can observe 1 and 5, both are corresponding angles. Corresponding in the sense same side. Okay, here you can observe 1 is above this parallel line and 5 is above this parallel line. and 1 is left side of the transversal, and 5 also left side of the transversal. In the same way you can check 2 is right side above the parallel line, and which one will be the right side above? Again, yes, 6 is also right side above. Okay, that is corresponding. 1 and 5 is one pair, 2 and 6 is one pair, 3 and 7 you can observe 3 is also below the parallel line, 7 is below the parallel line. 3 is left side, 7 also left side below. 4 and 8 is one pair, 4 is below the parallel lines, 8 is also below the parallel line, and 4 is right side, 8 also right side. So 1 5 above the parallel line and lying in left side, 3 and 7 below the parallel lines and lies in left side, 2 and 6 above the parallel line and be the angles on the right side, 4 and 8 below the parallel lines and be on the right side. Okay, like that 4 pairs of corresponding angles you can get, 1 5 2 6 3 7 4 8. Okay, next, pair of alternate interior angles. Alternate means nothing but opposite. Okay, or if one angle is lying on the right side, other must be on left side of the transversal. That is nothing but alternate. Interior angles. Interior angles, how many interior angles are there here? We are having 4 interior angles. What are those? 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 4 are interior angles. In that, alternate means, yes, 3. What is the opposite? What is the 3 is in left side below. So what is the opposite of left side below? Right side above. What is the angle right side above? 6. So first pair is 3 and 6. Second pair 4 and 5. Okay, 4 is right side below, 5 is left side above, opposite. Okay, left, right, below, above. 4 is below, right, 5 is above, left. So these two are interior angle pairs, alternate interior, 3 and 6, 4 and 5. Okay, those are the pair of alternate interior angles. Next, pairs of alternate means right side above, left side below. Again, left side above, right side below, and now 2 and 7. Okay, right side above, this is left side below. So what are the exterior angles? Alternate exterior angle pairs are 1, 8. Okay, for this angle and this angle, this angle and this angle. Okay, now interior angles on same side. Here you can observe how many interior angles are there? 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 angles are there. In that, lying on same side. So 3 and 5, 4 and 6. Okay. Okay, angles on the same side, 3 and 5. And one more pair, 4 and 6. Both are interior angles and lying on the same side, right side and right side. Here 3 and 5 lying on the left and left. Okay, now just identify which angles are interior. First, can you tell me what are the interior angles here? Angle B, angle C, E, F. Okay, and exterior angles. What are exterior angles? Angle A, D, G, H. Okay, pairs of corresponding angles, A, E, C, E. Pair of alternate exterior angles, A, H, D, G. Okay, like that, if the question is given, you have to answer that. You have to identify the different corresponding angles, interior angles, exterior angles. Okay, and now there are 3 properties regarding the transversal. What are the 3 properties? Pairs of corresponding angles are always equal. Okay, means if you can take here, okay, here what are the corresponding angles? A and E. Now according to the property of corresponding angles, how much the angle A is there, the same angle you can observe at E also. If A is 120 degrees, E must be 120 degrees. Okay, if D is 60 degrees, what is the corresponding angle of D? F, no? So angle D is 60 degrees means angle F must also 60 degrees. And what is the corresponding angle of C? H. If C is 120 degrees, H also must be 120 degrees. B and G are corresponding angles. So whatever the angle B is having, that the same angle G must have. That is the property regarding the corresponding angles are equal. And what is the next property? Pairs of alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, what are the alternate interior angles? BF, CE. So what he is saying is, if B is 60 degrees, what is its alternate interior angle pair? F. B is pairing to F. So if B is 60 degrees, F must also 60 degrees. If C is 120 degrees, angles must be equal. Next, third one, sum of pairs of interior same side angles are equal to 180 degrees. Here you can observe what are the interior angles on same side? BE, CF. Okay, interior angles on same side. Okay, BE are the pair, CF is the pair. And according to the property, sum of interior angles on the same side, if I add B and E, angle B plus angle E, that must be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, and if it is angle C and angle F, if I add angle C and angle F, it must equal to 180 degrees. Okay, that is the property regarding the interior angles on the same side. Okay, so what he is saying is, pair of corresponding angles must be equal and pair of alternate interior angles must equal, and pair of interior angles on the same side, sum must be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, that is the properties and the different angles in the transversal angles. Based on this, we can do the exercise 5.2. Okay, usually the questions will be given like that. They will give some lines like this, and they ask you to identify what are the pairs of corresponding angles, what are the pairs of alternate interior angles, and what are the pairs of exterior angles. Like that they will ask. Okay, so you have to identify which angle is corresponding to these two are corresponding angles, these two are. Don't remember the range like this. According to the question, you have to identify, oh, this is above. Okay, interior angles and angles on the same side. Okay, that is about the theory part which we discussed in the class regarding the chapter 5. Okay, I hope you understood these videos, and you can clarify, you can repeatedly see the video to understand better. Okay, thank you.